After age 60, your eyesight can fade faster if you skip one simple habit. Many seniors notice blurry vision when reading the newspaper, eye blurry vision when driving at night, or even sudden blurry vision in one eye. These vision problems aren't just uncomfortable, they could be dangerous. When you can't read medication labels clearly, or you miss a step on the stairs because of blurred eye vision, your independence is at risk. Doctors at the National Eye Institute report that blurred vision causes in seniors often include cataracts, glaucoma, and dry eyes. And yes, even something as simple as dry eyes can lead to blurry vision and headache, or morning vision changes. If you've ever asked yourself, "Why is my vision blurry when I wake up?" you're not alone. Millions of older adults in the U.S. deal with these vision issues every single day. But here's the hopeful part. Vision care doesn't always mean surgery or expensive vision insurance. According to research from Mayo Clinic and Johns Hopkins, there are natural ways to strengthen your eyes. Simple vision exercises to improve eyesight can help reduce eye strain, improve vision, and keep your focus sharp. In this video, I'll walk you through 5 great improve vision exercises. They're easy, safe, and senior-friendly. And the most powerful one, what some surgeons call a natural eye drop, will be revealed at the very end. Before we continue, I'd love to know, how old are you and which state are you watching from? Type it in the comments. It helps us see how many of us are on this same journey toward clear vision after 60. Your eyes change as you age, just like your joints or your memory. According to the Mayo Clinic, regular vision care that includes simple exercises can slow down these changes. Cleveland Clinic adds that even a few minutes of daily practice can improve vision naturally, reduce blurry vision headaches, and support long-term vision health. Take John, age 72, from Florida. He struggled with blurred eye vision when reading the newspaper and often complained about left eye blurry vision in the evenings. His doctor at a Pearl Vision eye exam suggested he try vision exercises to improve eyesight. After just 3 weeks, John noticed real vision improvement. He could read without leaning in close and felt safer driving at night. So what can you do? In the next section, I'll share 5 improve vision exercises designed for seniors. These are backed by experts at Johns Hopkins and the American Foundation for the Blind. And remember, the most effective one, the exercise many surgeons call a natural eye drop, is saved for the end. Stay with me, because even if you've asked yourself, "Why is my vision blurry?" or "How to fix blurry vision naturally?" these tips could help you regain clear vision and protect your independence. Let's start with exercise number 5, blinking. It sounds too simple, but it's one of the most powerful ways to fight blurry vision and headache caused by dry eyes. Many seniors don't realize that long periods of reading, watching TV, or even scrolling on a phone can reduce blinking. When that happens, your eyes dry out and you experience eye blurry vision or blurred eye vision that makes everyday tasks frustrating. The Cleveland Clinic explains that frequent blinking helps keep your eyes moist, clears away small particles, and improves blood flow around the eye surface. If you've ever wondered, can dry eyes cause blurry vision? The answer is yes, and this exercise directly addresses that problem. Here's how to do it. Simply close and open your eyelids gently for 30 to 60 seconds. Don't strain, just let it be natural. Repeat this a few times a day, especially when you feel your eyes getting tired. Johns Hopkins researchers note that seniors who practice improved vision exercises like this report better comfort and fewer cases of sudden blurry vision in one eye during daily activities. Imagine reading the newspaper without eye spots in vision, or driving at night without asking, "Why is my vision blurry?" Regular blinking is a small habit, but it supports long-term vision health. Combined with other vision exercises to improve eyesight, it can help you move closer to clear vision after 60. But blinking is just the beginning. The next exercise works deeper, improving circulation and helping you avoid those sudden blurry vision in one eye moments. Exercise number 4 is head rotation while keeping your eyes focused straight ahead. This simple move can improve circulation around your eyes and reduce blurring of vision that many seniors notice after reading or watching TV for too long. Poor blood flow is one common cause of blurred vision, and Cleveland Clinic notes that gentle motion can support overall vision health. To do it, sit comfortably and look straight ahead. Slowly turn your head from right to left, then up and down, while your eyes remain fixed forward. Just 30 to 60 seconds is enough. You don't need special equipment, and it can be done in your living room. Many older adults report that after adding this to their daily routine, they experience fewer episodes of blurry vision in one eye or left eye blurry vision at night. For some, it reduces the sensation of one eye foggy vision that often makes reading signs at grocery labels stressful. If you've ever asked yourself, "Why is my vision blurry?" or dealt with a sudden blurry vision one eye episode, this exercise can be part of the answer. According to Johns Hopkins, these improved vision exercises help maintain flexibility in the muscles supporting your eyes. With regular practice, you may notice fewer headaches related to eye strain and a more consistent clear vision throughout the day. It's a simple step in vision care that supports long-term independence and confidence after 60. Still, head rotation alone isn't enough. Wait until you see the next exercise. It strengthens your eye muscles in a way most seniors never practice. Exercise number 3 is moving your gaze slowly from side to side. This practice strengthens the eye muscles that control horizontal movement and helps reduce blurring of vision that often appears during reading. When the eyes stay in one position too long, it can cause eye strain, blurry vision, and headache, or even eye spots in vision that make focusing difficult. Here's how you do it. Sit comfortably, look straight ahead, and gently move your eyes as far as you can to the right while inhaling. Then move them slowly to the left while exhaling. Repeat for 30 to 60 seconds. The key is to move slowly and without forcing your eyes. Older adults who use this exercise regularly report fewer moments of blurry eye vision when watching television or sudden blurry vision in one eye after working on puzzles. The American Foundation for the Blind confirms that vision exercises to improve eyesight like this can support overall vision health and reduce the cause of blurred vision related to weak muscles. If you have asked, "Why is my vision blurry in the evening?" or noticed left eye blurry vision while reading, this simple routine may help. It's a safe and natural part of vision care, and it doesn't require expensive vision insurance or devices. Practice daily, it supports long-term vision improvement and helps seniors move closer to clear vision after 60. And we're not done yet. The next exercise is even simpler, but it helps your eyes recover from daily light exposure, something every senior faces. Exercise number 2 is closing your eyes and resting them in complete darkness. It may sound too simple, but it is one of the most effective improved vision exercises for seniors. When your eyes are constantly exposed to light from TV, phones, or even bright lamps, the muscles never get a true break. This can lead to blurry vision in the morning, blurry vision during reading, or even blurry vision headache by the end of the day. Here's how to practice it. Sit in a comfortable chair, close your eyes gently, and let your eyelids fully relax. Stay that way for at least 30 seconds to 1 minute. Focus on your breathing and let the darkness give your eyes time to recover. The Mayo Clinic explains that this practice helps photoreceptor cells reset, which reduces the cause of blurred vision related to eye strain. Many older adults have noticed that after a few weeks of daily practice, they experience fewer episodes of sudden blurring vision in one eye or one eye foggy vision at night. Johns Hopkins research also highlights that short breaks in darkness can lower the risk of blurring of vision caused by muscle fatigue. If you've been asking, "Why is my vision blurry after a long day?" or worried about blurred eye vision when watching TV, this simple exercise is a safe, natural part of vision care. It doesn't require vision insurance or special equipment, yet it brings seniors closer to clear vision and more comfortable evenings. But the real breakthrough is still ahead. The number one exercise, what many eye doctors call a natural eye drop, can completely change how your eyes focus. We've reached the most important exercise, often called a natural eye drop by eye specialists. It's called near and far focusing. This simple routine helps your eyes stay flexible, reduces blurry eye vision, and directly supports long-term vision health. Here's how you do it. Hold your thumb about 10 inches in front of your face. Focus on it for 10 to 15 seconds. Then, without moving your head, shift your focus to an object across the room or even 20 feet away. Keep your eyes there for another 10 to 15 seconds. Then return to your thumb. Repeat this 5 times. That's it. Why does it matter? Johns Hopkins researchers explain that as we age, the lens of the eye stiffens. This is one major reason for blurry vision in one eye, sudden blurry vision episodes, or difficulty with vision correction even after new glasses. By practicing near and far focusing, you're training the tiny muscles that control your lens to stay active. Cleveland Clinic also notes this can slow down vision changes that otherwise lead to eye vision loss or loss of vision in one eye. Mary, 68, from Ohio, shared that she used to have left eye blurry vision whenever she tried to read food labels at the grocery store. After 3 weeks of daily practice, she said the blurring of vision eased and she felt more confident driving at night. For her, this was a life-changing habit. No surgery, no expensive vision insurance, just a few minutes of effort each day. If you've asked yourself, why is my vision blurry? Or struggled with blurry vision headache while reading, this is one of the best vision exercises to improve eyesight. It supports clear vision, reduces the reason for blurry vision caused by weak focusing muscles, and may help prevent losing vision in one eye over time. Combined with a healthy diet, foods that increase eye vision such as leafy greens and fish high in omega-3s, and supplements for vision like lutein and zeaxanthin, this exercise can be a cornerstone of your vision care. It's safe, natural, and something every senior can add to their daily routine. Near and far focusing is not just another improved vision exercise. For many, it's the key to how to fix blurry vision naturally and move closer to clear vision after 60. By now, you've seen how 10 minutes a day of simple, improved vision exercises can make a real difference. These routines are not about replacing medical care, but they are powerful steps you can control. For many seniors, just a few weeks of practice has reduced eye blurry vision, eased blurry vision headaches, and even lowered the chance of sudden blurry vision in one eye. Think about the small changes. Reading the newspaper without blurred eye vision, watching TV without asking yourself, why is my vision blurry tonight? Walking down the stairs without fear of eye spots in vision or one eye foggy vision. These are real improvements that matter every single day. Experts from Mayo Clinic and Cleveland Clinic remind us that vision care doesn't stop with exercises. A diet rich in foods that increase eye vision, like spinach, salmon, and eggs, combined with supplements for vision such as lutein and omega-3s, supports long-term vision health. For many, this approach is how to fix blurry vision naturally and move closer to clear vision after 60. You don't have to accept that losing vision in one eye or living with constant vision problems is inevitable. With steady practice and smart choices, you can protect your eyesight, stay independent, and keep enjoying the moments that matter most. Before we finish, I'd love to hear from you. Which of these vision exercises to improve eyesight will you try first? Have you ever dealt with blurry vision in one eye, left eye blurry vision, or blurry vision in the morning? Share your story in the comments. Your experience could help another senior facing the same vision problems. Are you finding this video helpful so far? If yes, tap the like button right now. It tells YouTube to share this with more seniors dealing with blurry vision and headache every day. And don't forget to subscribe. That way, you won't miss our next videos on cataracts prevention, glaucoma tips, and natural ways to fix blurry vision naturally after 60. We post new tips every week on vision health, cataracts, glaucoma, and safe ways to maintain clear vision after 60. Also, check the pinned comment below. I've included resources on foods that increase eye vision, supplements for vision, and more details on sudden blurry vision in one eye and other common blurred vision causes. Your eyesight matters. With the right improved vision exercises, smart vision care, and consistent habits, you can move past blurry eye vision and enjoy the independence that clear vision brings every day.